Hello, welcome to my DIY video studio. I cannot believe how easy this thing is to make, and I owe it all to my dear husband. We were driving down the road and I told him for the millionth time how much I love my DIY light box, and I said, I wish I had one for myself that I could sit in and record videos and not have to constantly worry about what is in the background and lighting and setup and tear down. And he said, well, why don't you try and make one and use the same type of foundation that you used for your DIY light box? And that got me thinking, why not try and use a wardrobe box and then drape the wardrobe box in vinyl? And so ta-da, here we are. This is a wardrobe box from Home Depot, and I'm going to show you in another video how I cut the one side of the wardrobe box. So this is four panels, and all I did was then go to JoAnn Fabrics and buy vinyl. This is tablecloth vinyl, and so it has like a little felty layering to the back, and then it's sleek and very shiny in the front. And I just draped it all around the four panels. So, and now I have my desk in front of me, my camera in front of me, and some lights, but not too much light. And it is working. I am loving this because now I can go ahead and feature something like this. Like this is what I'm going to be talking about in my next STEM video. And I don't have to worry about competing with a plant or bookshelves or people running into my shot or not being light enough or being too light. I am just really thrilled that I've made this investment into myself, and it's super cheap, so cheap. So a wardrobe box, I believe, from Home Depot plus the vinyl, maybe the whole thing was $60. So $60 to have this little piece of equipment just ready to go whenever I want to make a video. Oh, love it. Okay, so let's cut to me actually doing this.
Okay, so back there is where I am going to put my little studio, right there. And so I made my first little box, and it didn't work, it collapsed. And I wanted to put windows on the side of it, and so light can stream in, and that just made it like fall apart. So I have another wardrobe box from Home Depot, and I am just gonna go ahead and put it in the corner of my room, and then I'm just gonna drape it with white vinyl from JoAnn Fabrics. Hudson, Ohio is the home of JoAnn Fabrics. Whoop, whoop.